Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you my P&L profit and loss in June month. So these all results are not based on my single strategy, that is only Bank Nifty strategies, but these are the result of my different strategies which I am using in my equity and in my future and options also. So I will show you my whole June month statement. I am using Zerodha and Trade Plus Online. So I am showing you only Zerodha. Yes. So I will go to my console. Yes. Right now my equity holdings are 1,76,000. Cash balance is 1.6 lakh. Sorry, 1.76,000. Sorry. I just withdraw my money till 24 June. My account value was 14 lakhs 37,000 and equity holding was 1 lakh 40,000. But I withdraw my money because I am satisfied in my June profit. So I withdraw all my account balance, and right now only having 3 lakh something. So I'm going to show you my result report. Yes, profit and loss report, and check here. I trade in March, April, May and June, and you can see only 6 days are those in which I was in loss, and all the other, these are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 second, these are all are around 40 days, and out of 40 days only 6 days are in negative and all other 34 are in profit. So I will show you equity combined profit from 1st June to 28 26. Okay, 28 is okay. So just 1 second. Yeah, please check. The realized PNL was 40,000 and net realized PNL was 36,000 in equity only, which was in June, for the only June month. And then in F&O it was, right now it is 33,000 to total 40,000 and 33,000 is around 73,000 profit. And in June I am in losing trade of only 2 losing trades, and the profit is 76,000. My 60 days challenge you can check, which I start in middle of the June, from 16 June, and 51 days are left, only 9 days are counted, and my profit is 29,000 in June, only in the 12 calendar days, and trading days I think it is less than it is around 8 to 9 days. So right now you checked my all 33,000 and equity is 49, total 73,000 profit according to my strategies which I am applying in only June. So I am not having only Bank Nifty strategy, I am working on different strategies, and I am using the kite chart, and I am using MT4 MetaTrader 4 and trading when my setup gives the signal, and I am waiting with patience for my signal, and when my signal gives any trade then I will trade, and it will mostly in the profit. As you see, in June equity I am not losing any single trade, and in F&O I am losing only 2 trades. One is 6,000, one is 26,000. But still I am making 25,000 realized PNL and total PNL is 33,000. Charges are 8,000 and total 25,000 in June in only F&O and in equity. It is 40,000, charges 3,000, net PNL 36,000. This is my holdings which is right now I am having. So guys, this is not a false that I am not trading and this strategy is not working in live. So these strategies are working and I am doing trade on my strategies and just posting my views on my Telegram channel. थैंक यू गाइस. यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सपोर्ट कीजिए. मैं इसी तरीके से आई विल गिव यू माई बेस्ट एंड आई विल शेयर माई ओल्ड स्ट्रेटजी स्लोली एंड स्लोली. जस्ट मास्टर इन one strategy and then jump to second strategy. Thank you very much guys. Thank you.